Okay, this is going to be a quick video just to kind of step you through the new semi-global matching algorithm now available in the Imagine Photogrammetry suite in the 2014 release. So if I were to click on this semi-global matching algorithm under the Generate option with a loaded photogrammetry block, of course, you would see that I have 3 stereo pairs here available for the 4 images I have active in this particular project file. If I had more or less, I could activate or deactivate the amount of images I want to use. Those that are active will populate this based on the overlap percentage here. Simply meaning that if I decrease this overlap percentage, I would just recalculate and I would have more stereo pairs used if I wanted to increase or decrease that amount. However, 50 to 60% is usually pretty standard for overlaps, and therefore I'm going to keep it at 50% overlap. Some strategy parameters I'm not going to get into just to keep this short, but they're available. When we get to the output directory here, you would just obviously specify where you want it to go, but the most important thing really here is to define your RGB encoding for the point cloud itself. So if I RGB encode the point cloud, the output point cloud would look much like this image you see here on the right. If I were to choose the false color infrared option, it would be kind of more of a reddish, pink hues, typical of a false color infrared output. In this case, I'm going to keep it at RGB. If I were to run this now, it would process each of the point clouds one at a time. Once the first one was done, the next one would be processed. However, if I want to access the batch wizard, I could get into the batch wizard here, and then again hitting submit as opposed to run now. I have the option to increase the amount of simultaneous processes I may wish to run. So I could process all 3 of these stereo pairs all at once. And if I wanted to take it a step further, I could even distribute across multiple machines using a free Condor installer if you happen to have that installed, or if you happen to want that installed. So you could make use of idle machines on the network to distribute your processing. So hopefully that gives you a quick overview of how to fire up the new semi-global matching algorithm available in the Imagine Photogrammetry and the Auto DTM pack in 2014. And I hope that helps. Thank you.